If you need to do a polishing or sanding job and you'd rather not do it without the hassle of power cables or a full-size machine, then ToolPRO has you covered with a 2-in-1 Rotary Polisher and Sander. Packing a surprising amount of power into a small package, the 18-volt motor pumps out a no-load speed range of 3,000 to a whopping 11,000 orbits per minute, and with the variable speed control, it can easily tackle almost any sanding or polishing job that comes its way. The rubber over-mould grip reduces vibrations and lets you maintain proper control as you work, so you can focus on putting the pad to the panel instead of juggling the machine around to get a better grip. To make things easier and tidier while you work, the dust collection system keeps the dust in a handy bag and away from your clothes and your project. The ToolPRO 2-in-1 Polisher and Sander comes with both a polishing pad and a selection of sanding sheets, so slap in a ToolPRO 18-volt battery pack and it's ready to go. If you need a replacement sanding disc or additional pads to keep on rotation, then they're readily available in-store or online from Supercheap Auto. As with any of the ToolPRO 18-volt cordless tools, a flat battery doesn't have to slow you down. Grab a couple of batteries from your ToolPRO cordless tool collection, keep them on charge, and swap them out as you go. With ToolPRO reliability and a 3-year warranty to back it up, this little sanding and polishing combo can take care of business. So don't put off that sanding or polishing job anymore. With the cordless ToolPRO 2-in-1 machine, you can tackle all of it comfortably and easily without switching tools.